Alright guys, how you doing? I'm Rush, and yes, some of you asked me on Twitter how do I do lips. I thought I will make a little quick speed call kind of thing to show you guys. So usually, you just get your sphere of choice ready and then just do voxel remesh or multi-res, whatever you want to do, it's fine. I usually prefer to go with multi-res just because it allows me to actually change and recalculate the mesh as I go, right? So basically what you want to do at the very beginning is that you want to grab the clay strip brush, right? And then just get a little bit of volume there, just a little bit where your lips are gonna be, right? And just add a little bit of that, and then you want to go with the crease brush. I usually set the file of the sharper. You can play around with the strength if you want. It's up to you. And then just you want to do a little bit of a line, right? And once you have that ready, you want to recalculate the mesh, because what this is doing, as you can see, it's that it's pushing in the polygons that you already have. And yeah, basically just recalculate the mesh and then maybe increasing it if you want. I do this by doing voxel remesh. You can press Shift R, and yeah, you're gonna get this little square thing, and then you can apply it by pressing Ctrl R. But yeah, then just keep refining a little bit that line, and then you can actually refine the shape of the lips, right? A little bit, and then maybe I usually like to go with the clay strips, and again build this in this specific way. Like the bottom lip, I like going like this from the center, like kind of try to form a uniform thin line. And then on the top lip, I usually like going like this, right? And then again recalculate everything, right? And at this point, all we really need to do is just go with the crease brush again, right? And do the thing. Once you're done, just refining a little bit with the move brush, get them to the shape you want. And again, a little bit more volume. And there we go. I mean, you can basically refine as much as you want, and refine this as much as you want. But yeah, hopefully yeah, this was helpful, guys. Yeah, I stream on Twitch at least 3 times a week. In case I don't know, if you have any question, feel free to go there and ask me whenever I'm live. And yeah, if you have any other question as to, I don't know, anything that you would like me to, I don't know, do a tutorial of, just let me know. Okay, bye bye. Sorry for the randomness of this. This wasn't scripted, so yeah, bye bye.